Have you ever noticed that the world is full of incredibly talented, educated people who are broke? We're taught that talent and a college degree are the golden tickets to wealth. But if that were true, why do we see so many smart people struggling to make ends meet? The truth is, there is a massive gap between the poor and the rich. And it's not luck, it's not just working hard, it is financial education. Today, we're going to talk about why self-education is the key to financial success, and I'm going to give you a specific plan to start building your wealth mindset today. Sadly, our educational system was never set up for financial literacy. We spend years learning algebra and history, but how many classes did you have on taxes, on the stock market, on good debt versus bad debt? Because these topics are left out of the curriculum, we see high schoolers maxing out credit cards before they even turn 20. We enter the real world blindly, making money decisions without the manual. If financial literacy was a school subject, rather than just family wisdom passed down by the lucky few, getting rich wouldn't feel like winning the lottery. It would be a calculated, attainable pursuit. Since society hasn't equipped us with these tools, it is up to you to bridge that gap. The lack of financial literacy affects the young and the old equally. But here is the good news. It's never too late to start. You need to start investing. Not in stocks, not yet. Start by investing in your mind. Read books, enroll in finance seminars, watch educational videos. The earlier you start, the better. But starting today is better than starting tomorrow. As humans, we learn best by example. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you need a mentor. Find someone who has already achieved the financial success you want. Ask them to guide you. If you can't find a mentor in real life, let the authors of the best finance books be your mentors. A common excuse I hear is, I don't have time to learn because I'm working. But you should be using your job to learn. For example, let's say you're timid or shy. That's a weakness in business, so get a job in sales. You will get specialized training for free, and by cold calling strangers, you will kill your timidity. Gather essential skills on your employer's dime. These are the skills that will serve you when you eventually launch your own business. So, I have a challenge for you this week. I want you to pick one financial topic you don't understand. Maybe it's compound interest, maybe it's stock options or tax deductions. Spend just 15 minutes this week reading or watching a video about that one specific topic. If you do that every week, a year from now, you won't just be talented, you'll be financially literate, and that is how you build wealth. If you accept the challenge, comment "I'm in" down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial education. I'll see you in the next video.